So the trade tensions between India and the United States are currently taking place, but amid that there could be a meeting that could take place between Prime Minister Modi and the US President Donald Trump as the Indo-US trade tensions escalate. A Modi-Trump meeting is on the cards. The Prime Minister is likely to visit the United States next month, with top sources saying that he is visiting New York next month for the UNGA. So this is a very crucial visit, because this comes amid the trade tensions. My colleague Amit Kumar is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Amit, all eyes are going to be on this meeting between Prime Minister Modi and Donald Trump. What are the details? When could the meeting take place? What's expected?
देखिए, जो सोर्सेज विदेश मंत्रालय के सोर्सेज के हवाले से जानकारी मिली है कि सितंबर महीने के आखिरी में यूनाइटेड नेशन के जनरल असेंबली के लिए प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जा सकते हैं अमेरिका, और उस दौरान जो कोशिश हो रही है, क्योंकि जिस तरह से टैरिफ वॉर के चक्कर में एक दूसरे के खिलाफ जो टेंशन है वो बढ़ा हुआ है, उसको कैसे दूर किया जाए। और क्योंकि भारत और अमेरिका के बीच ट्रेड डील को लेकर बैक चैनल पर बातचीत हो रही है, लेकिन प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने एक बात साफ तौर पर कह दिया है कि वो किसी भी सूरत पर समझौता नहीं करेंगे, चाहे उसके लिए उनको व्यक्तिगत नुकसान भले उठाना पड़े। मतलब साफ है कि ये मुलाकात तभी संभव है जब सिर्फ अमेरिका अपने हितों की नहीं बल्कि भारत के हितों की चिंता करे। और प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने जैसे बताया है कि उनके लिए भारत के हित प्रमुख है। अगर भारत के हितों को लेकर बातचीत तो होती है, भारत के हितों को जो ट्रेड डील होगा भारत अमेरिका के बीच में, जब भविष्य में होने की होगी, जिसके लिए बातचीत का दौर भी जारी है, वो तभी संभव है जब उसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ अमेरिका के हितों की नहीं बल्कि भारत के हितों की चिंताओं को भी उसमें रखा जाएगा। तो कोशिश यही है, उसकी तैयारियां चल रही है। सितंबर के आखिर में जाने की बात आ रही है कि प्रधानमंत्री अमेरिका का दौरा कर सकते हैं यूनाइटेड नेशंस जनरल असेंबली के लिए, जो कि अक्सर वो हर साल जाते भी है। तो ऐसे में कोशिश है कि बैक चैनल से जो ट्रेड जो एक डेडलॉक की स्थिति बनी हुई है और ये दोनों के बीच रिश्तों को और खराब कर रहा है, तो ऐसे में इसको कैसे पटरी पर लाया जाए, भारत के हितों के लिए जरूरी है। और प्रधानमंत्री ने साफ शब्दों में कहा है कि भारत के हित पहले है। तो ऐसे में ये देखना होगा कि क्या दोनों के बीच, क्योंकि एक महीने से ज्यादा का वक्त है, तो क्या उसके में प्रोग्रेस होता है। ये सारी
मीटिंग। Amit, my apologies. Do stay with us just a moment. We have Mr. Pathikrit Pain, the strategic affairs expert, also joining us on the broadcast. Good morning and thank you for joining us. How do you look at this development? The Prime Minister all set to meet the US President. This, of course, comes amid the trade standoff between the two countries.
So, good morning, and yes, it is interesting, even though it's not surprising for two reasons. Number one, yes, it is true that somewhere around, late September or early October, the United Nations General Assembly actually summit meeting takes place. And generally in the past, we have seen Prime Minister Modi used to visit there, though in the recent past, he did not go. But I think since he would be going into United States, that gives him an opportunity, a window of opportunity to actually meet President Trump potentially and discuss some of the contentious issues. That is a real possibility. If that happens, I think it's good for the country. But at the same time, it is pretty clear, given the way Prime Minister Modi has been and is, he would never ever compromise on the core interest of India, and that is something United States would also have to understand. But I think that the core issue that will be taken care of is the kind of statements that the likes of Field Marshal Asim Munir of Pakistan is making from the American soil, and the kind of volatility that certain elements, potentially even within US, wants to create in the vicinity of India, which would have an impact on India. So there are large number of issues to be discussed. Prime Minister Modi going to United States for UNGA and meeting, if at all, if he meets President Trump, does not mean that, India has succumbed. Okay. India would never succumb to these issues, but yes, conversations should happen. Breakdown of conversation never helps. I think whatever he would do in the greater interest of the country would always benefit the country.
Okay, but there has been some inexplicable acrimony from the United States, and we've seen that increasingly changing over the last few days as well. So what happens to the tariff? As of now, the 21-day period is still continuing, but soon we will reach that 50% mark imposed by the United States, a 50% tariff. What happens to that? Do you think that it may be paused, or would you think that the next few days could be crucial and anything could happen when it's Trump? We can't really tell.
if you look at the trajectory of how President Trump operates, the way he tries to put pressure and then he gives a moratorium, you would see in case of China also, twice 90-day window has been given for moratorium for more discussions. I would not be surprised if this 21 days is extended. And that is the way. But at the same time, if there is and if there was an expectation from the Trump administration that this is the time for India to succumb, I do not think that would happen. Yes, okay, conversations would happen. You may see that 21 days if negotiations do not continue, and right now there is a pause, you might see this being extended by another 21 days or 42 days. That is always a possibility. We must understand one thing. My last point would be this, that we do acknowledge that India does require United States when it comes to business and trade, but that is the same thing with United States as well. There are a large number of American companies who operate in India. There are many areas where India plays a critical role as a supplier of commodities or a part of the major supply chains. It would not be easy for the Americans also to replace India as a supplier if the tariffs go up. Back to you. So it is a win-win for both sides. If the moratorium is extended, if there is a moratorium or the window is extended, and eventually there is a conversation on this issue.
Okay, all right. Many thanks for joining us on the broadcast with your inputs, and of course thanking Amit Kumar as well for bringing us that exclusive scoop that there could be a meeting between Prime Minister Modi